Hey Prince, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here. And Facebook is a very powerful tool. There is no doubt about it. But the first place people are going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google. And when they get there and they get their search results, they typically want to have a website to be able to click on to learn more about your company. So I do see that you did have a website listed here on your Facebook. This is what shows when you try to pull it up though. So just in the interest of talking about content, I did pull up one of the competitor sites here. And content would be considered anything you can see here. It does obviously include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words worth of content on the homepage of a website. And that gives you the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So if it's not something that's already in the works for you all, I would certainly suggest either getting your website back up and running or having a new website made. It really is the first step in getting ranked on to Google, and it does also act as pretty much a digital business card for you as well. So next is going to be citations that we talk about, and I did just pull up a quick search here, and the first thing that comes up is this section. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation basically is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that allows business owners to add in those details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories. And you would want to grab those listings for your business. But you don't just want to stop there. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10, but then you want to double, triple, quadruple what you have for your business. So you want to have 20, 30, 40, even 50. That is going to have you completely dominating your competition in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So moving along here to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other auto glass repair companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, you are trustworthy, and number two, that that is the correct industry for you. That's going to be a lot more powerful, but also unique in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And I did pull up one of the tools that we use here, and I wasn't able to put your business into it since the site wasn't pulling up, but I did put the website that we just looked at just so I can give you a visual representation of what we're talking about. So it's showing currently they have a little over 1,000 referring domains, which is giving them 143,000 backlinks, getting them found for 22.9 thousand keywords, and that's driving a little over 33,000 people to their website just per month. So let's see if we can look at the keywords that they're using here. So let's see. So here's a perfect one. Service King, Plano, Texas. This is a great keyword because it lists the actual service or industry, and it also lists the location that this company is trying to target. Service King, San Antonio, Texas. So another great one, and they're just trying to target a different location for that one. Service King, Dallas, Texas. So they're trying to target multiple different locations, which is totally fine. And I certainly will not bore you and have you go through all of these, but I hope this at least gives you an idea of the types of things that you would be looking to integrate into the content on your site for your location. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But just like with the citations, you don't just want to stop there. You always want to far surpass whatever it is that your competition is doing. That's going to be the kind of thing that will get you on that first page of Google, but it will also make it really difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you today, Prince. I do hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time, and you have a good day.